Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. Hello. Today I'm just gonna be doing a Dollar Tree haul, and I ended up splurging a little, but it's okay. Um, it's all good stuff, I think. So if you guys are interested, then just please keep watching. So I'm actually just gonna start off with the smaller stuff, and I just purchased some of this Excelsior, and I bought 2 bags. So I'm planning on doing a little project, so I just needed 2, I think. I told myself not to buy any more Christmas things because I'm not planning on decorating a lot this year, since I do have a little one who's looking at me film. But I didn't want to put too many things because he's just starting to walk and he's all over the place. So yeah, I wasn't planning on buying most of these items, but I ended up walking out with them. And the first thing that I'm gonna show you guys is this wreath. Look at how cute this is. And it's like they sell these by themselves, this little piece, but in green. And so when I saw that it came with the little, what is this called, like the little, I don't know what you call this fussy little thing, like ribbon, I thought it was a time saver and it looks cute already, so I decided to pick this up. And then as I was walking by, I found these little elf feet, well, legs, and they're actually ornaments, but I figured I could do something with this together. So yeah, I could probably do something with this, and I'm hoping in the future they get like a elf head, because they have a lot of Santa Claus heads and the hats, but no elf. So I'm hoping they get some soon so I could do the wreath a little elf style. So I like that idea. So the next item that I found were these Dia de los Muertos stickers, and I think these are so cute. Look at that. I hadn't seen these before, and I was just walking down the aisles and I found these, so I ended up getting 2 because I really like them. So yeah, I think that's the only Halloween item that I purchased, and it's not even Halloween, it's the Dia de los Muertos, but it's the only 2 things I picked up. Okay guys, so the next item that I found were these beautiful little stars. They're ornaments, and I think these are perfect size for the small tree that I had already purchased. So I went ahead and just picked up one of these so it can have a little bit of decorations on there. And as well as these new little decorations. Look at how cute these are, and I'll show you guys a clip of all the ones they had. But I really loved these 2, so I ended up getting these. I could probably put them like on the table or on my dresser somewhere where our mailbox is. I don't know, but I thought these were really cute. It looks actually pretty expensive. It's really good quality, so I really loved these. So I ended up getting these 2 only. They had a lot of beautiful ones, but I just got those 2. Then I ended up getting the wired garland ties. I saw a person on YouTube use this to fill up more of the small tree, the one that I purchased previously. So I thought that was a good idea because when I did see it, it was kind of, empty. Like it was kind of missing something. So when I saw that she added this, I thought it was really cute and it made it look nicer. So I went ahead and bought a pack of these to add on there. So the previous years I've purchased some of these pine cones, but I went ahead and got some more because I always do projects with this. I just never done videos before. Yes, that's true. So I went ahead and picked up 3 of, well, it's just 1 pack, but it's 3 pine cones, so I picked this up. So the next items are new. I have not seen these before, but I thought they were beautiful. I couldn't pass up on these. Look at how beautiful these wall hooks are. This one reminds me of a villain, like a Disney villain, but I can't think of who. And then this one's so pretty. They have the gold design on there. It's pretty sturdy too. And then the other color that I picked up was this one. They also had it in a gray, and I forgot what other color. It might have just been these 3 plus the gray. I'm not sure. But I went ahead and picked up one of these 3. Okay guys, so for the big finale, I was only going to get 12 of them, but then I thought maybe I should just get 20 of them, and the box came with 24, so I ended up getting the whole box, the whole case. I'm planning on doing a project with these, which is why I had been going to Dollar Tree every day looking for these, because I did see that they had these online, but on the reviews they kept saying that some of them were messed up. It's these mailboxes. They usually bring them for almost every holiday. Yeah. They bring them for, I know they bring them for like Valentine's Day as well, but I couldn't wait. It's for my son's birthday party, so I went ahead and bought all of them. I'm gonna use these as goodie bags, but I'm gonna paint them all white. So yeah, I went ahead and just got the whole case, guys. The lady was looking at me kind of crazy, but I was just like, I need them. And actually when ¿Qué pasó? I was actually leaving already when I saw the lady pull up with the flatbed, and I realized maybe they could be there because I had only seen them online. I had been to 3 different Dollar Trees every single time, and I just could not get a hold of them. So I saw the lady pulling the cart, and I just decided to look back, and I saw the picture. This one. I saw the picture, and I'm like, oh my god, those are the ones. So I asked her if I can just get a few, and she was like, yes, let me just move the stuff that's on top. And I ended up just getting the whole box. So I'm really excited to find these. I was really happy I can start working on my project. So yeah, that's all, guys. Oh, by the way, if you guys want to see, because they are different designs. They're 4 different designs. There's this one with like little Christmas letters on there, and these are all tin, so that's really good. I think it's more durable. They also get the cardboard ones, and they are bigger, which I was gonna wait and see if they came around, but I need to start working on the project because I only have like 2.5 weeks for my son's birthday, so I needed to start working on them. I could not wait to see if they got the cardboard ones in, so I just went ahead and got these. So those are 2 of the designs. Then this is the 3rd design. It's actually really similar to the other one. They kind of look similar, but this one has letters and this one's snowman. And then the 4th design, which is actually my favorite. If I don't use all of them, I'm just gonna keep these as little Christmas boxes, like to give out presents in. Look how pretty this is. This is my favorite one. The color, the little design on there, it's like a wreath, and it has winter wishes, and it's burgundy, one of my favorite colors. Oh, it has pine cones in there, so you can't see it when you close it, but when you open it you can see the little pine cones around it. So yeah, that is it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my small haul. In a way, it's a small haul, but a lot of items. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good night. I'm all done.